from Wax Earplugs. 5 a.m. This arrives in Athens at 8 a.m., right? Something like that? Appreciate it. What went on down here was not our experience. No, they know how to make some coffee around here. Unbelievable. I say that because I've been out there. I know what it's like going through the night. As far as the ferry transport, this was luxury. I slept, I'm cleaned up, I've had coffee, I'm rested, I've worked. Yeah, I know what it feels like to arrive in the morning out there. This was a wise thing to do. This was a blessing. It was the best 8 hours. Anyway, it's 7:10. If I remember correctly, it's 8 a.m. that we're porting. I feel like the purpose of this trip was mission accomplished. And that was to restore and to repair and to regenerate. Restore, repair, regenerate. Say your goodbyes. Money, so let's just take a taxi. Let's find a taxi, a yellow cab. How much for the airport?
Airport, come.
How much?
50 euro.
I got that. Excellent.
Come.
Yes. Emirates.
Emirates.
Yes. Thank you very much. Crazy traffic.
Very traffic today.
I know, crazy traffic.
Crazy traffic.
So we might not have first class, but we have business class. There's nothing wrong with that. Here we are, here we are, here we are. That's as good as it's gonna get, and there's nothing wrong with that. But it's easier to film in first class. I've only been there once. Here, I'm gonna say one thing about this time out and about. This time, for the first time, I was recognized. Everyone was very respectful. I act surprised, but sometimes I've had a life that people have not been kind to me. Yeah. People stopped me in the port. Tony! And for the first thing, I'm like, I almost forget I have a video channel, so I'm not sure how I know this person. That's what I'm doing. I'm running through the laundry list in my head trying to figure out how do you know this person, and you realize you don't. But everyone was very kind. I stopped and got gasoline, and the guy said, you are the guy from the videos. Yeah, last night. I actually ran into many. That's amazing, because I just assumed listen, I've done this since the early 80s when no one really did watch. I assumed that it's the same audience count. Okay, but that is why I ask for people to subscribe. There are perks by subscriptions. I know. If I could even hit 10,000, there are creator tools that are available to me. Like, this could just be better, but it's so hard. Boarding. Get the board now. I get a window seat. I've asked 2 times. I'm going to try it one more time on board. Can I have a first class cabin? I'm willing to pay, but they have rules. There are rules. Think about having another cup of coffee because I don't want to sleep. No, I want to stay awake for as much as this flight as possible. Thank you. Goodbye. Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Thanks. Thanks. Goodbye. I just got the once over through security, and when you ask to take everything out of my bag, it's a lot. I know. And I understand security, that was something else. Hello. Somebody who's been chugging along for a long time, and I mean, I've had a camera in my hand since the 80s, 90s. I've been filming things that no one has watched all my life. That's kind of my battle cry. On this trip, it's the first time that I've been stopped as recognized, hey, you're the guy. Yeah. And it's complimentary because I'll let you know something. And when I first started doing this, the mail that I received, my favorite line was, it might be good if you have an interesting life. You don't. It's painful to watch. And I think that was from a friend. The idea that people have been so kind and respectful and noticing the amount of work I put into it, I almost don't know how to act. Anyway, we're done. We're done with the bathroom. Let's go back outside.
Do you usually post things on Facebook and social media? Because I think I watched the video from you.
You watched the video of mine?